Okay, so the next one is banded frog thrusts. So what you're gonna do, grab your band, stick it on, put yourself through, and we wanna put it just above your knees to here. Perfect. Bring yourself out, and then we're gonna set yourself up into your frog thrust position. So from here, essentially, leave your feet alone. So I want, in terms of like the distance, this is too far because it's too hamstring orientated, and then this is too narrow, it's too close. So I want it to be that when I come up to the top of my table, at the top, that I'm basically creating like a right angle, okay? That's the table I'm trying to look for. That's how I know my feet are in the right spot. Moving on, now I want to create tension on the band. My knees can be basically like 45 degrees. Even though they're not doing it because you can't see it, I'm trying to externally rotate my quads and my glutes. I'm trying to turn them like this, trying to turn them out. So whilst I'm here, I turn them up like this. This is my frog thrust. In terms of where my body is, like my back and my scapula, like for women, you're gonna put your bra strap on it, so now I know I'm in the right spot. That's all I've got. You're trying to avoid all of this motion. Try to avoid that, keep this bit down, keep your ribs, sink them into your hips. That's it. Have a go.